Hello and welcome. My name is Jacob. Today we're looking at a Jeanneau 895 Weekender. The reason we're looking at this boat and others like it is my dad is currently in the market for a mid-range cruiser to cruise the Great Loop and the Bahamas on, also go fishing on. The boat is 29 feet and 9 inches long with a 9 foot and 9 inch beam, powered by twin 200s. That's the upgraded engine. We board the boat through the walk-through transom. We notice to our left that there's a U-shaped seating area that does not seem to be folding away. There is storage, however, underneath, but as fishermen, this is kind of a disadvantage for us because we like to fish. However, I didn't check, but I believe you can remove the storage box against the gunnel, opening up more room for fishing. We then entered the pilot house through the sliding glass door, which was AC powered, which is nice because we're not used to that. Left, there's a table that seats four with a flip back seat that becomes a navigation seat. The table also converts to a single berth. As we enter down below, there's a mini hallway with two separate berths and a head. The quarter berth had its own separate cabin with stand-up headroom and a Hunter Vision early 90s Hunter style porthole. The master stateroom had a queen-size island bed with dual windows on each side and storage under the bed. The head is a standard shower/head with a seat covering the toilet and a pump out with a holding tank. As we exit the bow area, we look to our left where the helm is stationed. Next to the helm is a side door, which is pretty rare for a boat this size. The helm was loaded with all your standard gauges, GPS, radar, VHF, and controls for the bow thruster. The other side where the seat flips forward, you have a navigation table. Across from the dinette area is the galley. The galley is hidden away when not in use. You have a sink, a stove, and a refrigerator/freezer underneath with storage. As we exit the pilot house, you'll notice the rails on the deck. Those are so the stern seat can slide forward for when the engines are in the up position. You'll also notice that there's a side boarding door as well. Overall, we did like the vessel, although not having fold-away seats in the rear is kind of a downer. My dad did like how the boat had separate staterooms, but he didn't like how the boat has a smaller tank at 159 gallons compared to his current boat, which is a Glacier Bay with 180 gallons. Well, anyways, have a nice day everyone. Till next time.